QT from QT. A QT. It's actually a turkey and bacon club on white. Half. We're in Oklahoma.
Wait, which one's a good one? OU or like?
I don't know. I think OU's orange. Please don't come for me. Oh. Comment down below which college in Oklahoma. Like,
Comment.
Just start going. Welcome to Oklahoma. I got it. Maybe we should go to Georgia. Did you just whip?
My heart is still pounding a little bit.
Oh my god! Stop number 2. We just didn't film stop number 1. We're almost there. AKA we have an hour and 3 minutes left. So close! Your highlighter looked really good in that.
Really does. Yeah, I was admiring it.
We're going to Monday! I'm like in shock right now. I'm like, wait a minute, did I just make a really bad? Road trip! Guess who's the youngest? We're in the QT, another QT bathroom. Looking like a bunch of QTs.
We made it.
We made a vlog. I'm scared, so we're chewing gum.
We out here.
Making it.
Someone put it in
Oh, this is my wife back here. Kind of tense.
Garrett and Justin.
Garrett and Justin. We got a lot of people.
She got an iPad. I gotta use the iPad.
Yeah, 3 again.
Back massager. No! Don't eliminate her. You got this, Sarah!
Yeah, I did see them at one point in time.
Where is she?
She got some checks. I would trade you if you wanted. Poland is such a good game. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute. She traded. I don't care. I want one of these. Let's see it. Let's see it. If it's black and gold, that'd be so sick.
Okay.
Oh my god.
And 3 of them have been starting out.
That is so new.
That's incredible.
I'm so
This
happy.
never happened before.
It's like Star Wars. Yeah. We're looking at the headquarters, or editing headquarters. Wow.
My life away.
Well, you see, we can't see anything. This is Edith. Oh, there she is.
Hello. She's being such a good driver.
We're driving.
Queen. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
We're going to dinner now to eat food at a place. I'm a really good vlogger if you're gonna tell. You're really good. Thank you. Thank you. The party is starting.
Ooh, baby.
I am so ready for fire. Wow, okay. Alright, the eyelashes are gone. Margaret just filled the water. Love
I
her.
need somebody to keep my video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brooke. Happy birthday to you. So we just decided on Mercedes, non-existent but future baby. Her name. We're thinking Brooke Alexandra Earthman. Isn't that? Comment down below. Comment down below. That is what her name should be. Say the dots right there. Say yes.
Okay.
Are you looking at me? Guys, we have ice cream.
He's a vegan.
Yo, what up?
Hey, vlog. Does sherbet have dairy?
Comment down below if sherbet has dairy, okay? I don't know. Maybe orange sherbet does.
Some do. Now we're going to main event.
Main event! I've never been there. I'm so excited. You've never been? No.
You haven't? Wait, Mercedes, have you been?
I've never been to a main event.
Oh, that is 3 people in my life were talking about how they want to take me to main event, and now I'm going.
It's meant to be.
People.
Another sign. It's meant
Another sign. Everything is meant to be.
Mint. The gum.
Mint.
Mint to be.
Mint to be.
Establishing shot.
Yeah.
Lumbers. Bow down.
Come on now, get it!
There we go.
You can bowl better than that. Go, Lil Merce. Oh. So I got 102. You got 105. He who shall not be mentioned got 135, but we're not going to talk about it. I think you're doing fabulous.
I ate 4. That's not so bad.
Our side did some work.
Yeah, we did.
We're having a good time tonight.
We put in work.
We grew as people.
I think I improved, definitely. I learned a lot.
My first score was 9. It's 102 now. That's called growth.
My first score was 4. And
We hit pins. We threw balls.
I did pretty good.
Those balls. And we had fun. I'll do it.
$40!
Oh, okay. And then he goes. No way. Hotel time. Motel holiday. It's actually a Marriott.
We at the Marriott area.
From our ticket. Capitalism. A capitalist. Great quality, I know. Thank you.
I have one thing to say.
Because we're on the right path right now.
We really are.
She got it.
Isn't it cute? I love it.
Guys, sniff. Smell it. Isn't it good? Okay, so we have the door here. We have the couch here. Mercedes here. And then Brooke right there. The hotel setup. Yeah, I think so. Dishwasher safe.
Let's go.
I know, right? Like hand wash only? Bro, what is this? Renaissance times? No. Facts. No cap.
No.
We're about to whip.
Yeah, it was.
Please just whip. Whip one time and then I'm gonna close out the vlog.
Okay, I'll do it. Are you ready?
Anyway, I'm gonna close out the vlog. Thank you for watching.
So creepy.